Hi guys, Veli here from Greenwood Solutions. 2021 has been a massive year for GridSafe, and so far we've protected over 50 megawatts of commercial solar projects around Australia and New Zealand. So thank you so much for your business and support in these difficult times. But we are not stopping there. We have some really exciting news we want to share with you all. GridSafe is expanding their warehouse to a bigger space with an extra testing station, which will result in much faster turnaround times for all our customers. In addition, we have employed a dedicated technical sales team member called Saud. Saud has a degree in electrical engineering, a master's in renewable energy, and an unbridled passion for all things renewable. And he is your go-to guy for all things GridSafe. Unlike any other company producing a secondary protection product, our GridSafe solution has been developed not only by our in-house engineers, but also our team of 6 CEC accredited installers and designers, because we use the GridSafe ourselves in our own projects, so we're constantly improving the designs and our service to you. Now, the end of the year is approaching fast, so to ensure that you give yourselves adequate time, put in your orders now. Our revised quoting system on our website makes it really easy to get a fast quote. And we've also updated all our drawings, brochures, which have all the relevant up-to-date information. We would love to be involved in your next commercial solar project. And here's to a big end to the year for all installers and designers around Australia.